Good afternoon, folks, and thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to come join us in the virtual tour of Lot J33 in Moss Landing Mobile Home Park in Labelle, Florida. What we have on our hands here is a fully rebuilt 1-bed, 1-bath with a fully rebuilt Florida room as well. In the back of the park, one home away from the water. If you saw a boat there, that is true. We have boat docks here as well for about $50 a month. A fantastic destination location in more central Florida. Now, this home has tons of amenities within the park. Of course, you have the boat launch there. You got a pool, you got a gym, a library, bingo hall, all kinds of fun stuff here in the park. We talk about lot rent. Lot rent is going to be very, very low, as well as a very motivated seller on this home. So make sure you stick around to the numbers section. We will go through everything here about the property. But before we get there, folks, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so below. In the lower right-hand corner, become a part of the mobile home dealer community. Doesn't cost you a dime, and you are going to be notified of all the videos that we come out with here, both with homes and our educational series. So we appreciate you coming along for the ride of Lot J33. And if you're ready, I'm ready. And welcome to the virtual tour of Lot J33 here in Moss Landing Mobile Home Park. Now, as we said in the intro, we do have the boat dock area right over there. Beautiful area out to enjoy your afternoon. The pool actually, and we'll take a picture here and put it in the photos, the pool actually overlooks the water. It's beautiful. It's something I've never seen in all my time of being in the mobile home industry. Now, everything here is going to be new. Okay, so for sake of repeating myself 100 times, everything is going to be new that you see. New paint, new interior, all that good stuff. So the nice thing about this park is you're definitely not on top of one another. Okay, so you got plenty of space to spread out. You got nice area between homes here. You see the back of the home, you have a very nice concrete pad, fantastic for hanging out here, enjoying the breeze off the water. Get your barbecue grill out here and ready to go. Now, a lot of these homes, folks, do not come with laundry. This one has the laundry hookups in the shed, as you see here. Now, you are going to be responsible for putting in your own units. Stackable would fit very well, or a smaller side-by-side. That's going to be a big selling point of the home. A lot of properties don't come available in this community. When they do, they move very quickly, and they're not nearly as built out as this one. So a couple of things here in the Florida room. We have vinyl windows with a screen outlay. All the vinyl is in nice shape. No rips or tears to speak of. Screens are in great shape as well. And as a Florida room, as you see, it nearly doubles the size of the property. And you also have tons of power ran out here with the multiple power inputs and the fan there. So great secondary living space, that is for certain. Two short steps are going to lead us into the body of the home. Now, this property is just getting finished up. Okay, so the construction work is supposed to get done later this week. So please keep that in mind as we look through. Now, for a single wide mobile home, it opens up quite a bit. You got the natural light here. We've got a peekaboo water view there. So zoom in, run off the lake. Now you're going to see the fan here. The fan is just because the new mini split ACs are not hooked up yet. Okay, and we'll highlight those here in a bit. Now, the flooring was recently yanked out. Okay, so all the particle board was removed. You have the new overflooring, which is going to be a distressed beechwood vinyl. And then you're going to have the 3/4 inch plywood underneath. So you're going to have years of trouble-free living with this home, that is for sure. We talked about mini splits. There's one. We got two in the unit. Now, we've talked about mini splits quite a bit on the channel. Mini splits are going to be fantastic. They're going to be as economical as a window unit, but they're going to run very similar to that of central AC. They always have remotes on them. You can turn them on, you can turn them off. It cools the area very, very quickly for a very low cost. Now, as you'll see throughout the home, you're going to see that the owner has yanked out the paneling. The vast majority of the home, they've hung sheetrock up, so drywall, extra outlets there. Recessed can lighting all throughout. Redid the ceiling, obviously new appliances with a solid surface countertop. Now you're going to see a couple of things here as we go through, folks, like some missing electrical plates. Again, those will be all taken care of here in the next few days. Stainless steel throughout, tons of extra storage. And then you really redone full bath with the shower, new toilet, and sink there. Now again, these construction materials will be removed in the next couple of days. Second window, or second mini split there, again carrying over with all the drywall. We have even brand new windows in this unit as well, as you see with the sticker on the window there. Now, the entire electrical panel has been redone. As you see, it just needs to get added on there. But all the wiring has been redone by a licensed electrician throughout the entire property. So that's going to be a very large dollar upgrade. Excuse me. So just about everything is completely rebuilt, completely new in the property at Lot J33. You have tons of options here to make it yours, but all of the heavy construction lifting has been done on the home. So since this is the first time this community has been featured on the channel, we're going to put Mariana's phone number at the end of this. Okay, she's going to be the sales agent who's going to be representing this property. She's going to be coming on board when the Labelle, Florida area. She's going to be our contact there. So when you look at the end of the video, that's going to be her contact number. So contact her directly with additional questions, as we expect this home to move very quickly. So when we're talking about numbers, folks, like we always say, you always want to go back to our website, sellmobilehome.com, for the latest information on this property. But at the time of this listing, by the time of us taking this to market, we're going into the market under 60,000. Okay, we're going in at 58.5 on the price of the home. Lot rent's about $650 a month. That's right, folks, about $650 a month and $58.5 on the price of the home. Other homes in the neighborhood go in the 70s and 80s, and they're not even updated. So this home definitely comes with a bargain with all these new construction that is done, and the lot rent is going to be about $150 under the county lot rent average. So with all this bang for your buck, all of the amenities, the water, the boat slips, and everything else going on here, make sure you give Mariana a call there at the number below, and she will be happy to help answer all of your questions. Well, that's it, folks, for Lot J33. Thank you so much for coming on the virtual tour with us. And as always, my name is Mark, and we'll see y'all on the next one.